Hi there friends, welcome back to our channel IBCA Mybakersmat. We're going to be using 3-piece puzzle geometric multi-cutter. Watch this video till the end to see the magic of these cutters. Here we're choosing 3 images of our choice with accordance to the cutters. Print the selected images on edible sugar sheets. This facility is available at our store. Here you can see that our selected images have been printed onto the sheet. We're placing the cutters on top of our photo print. Gum paste has been rolled out to 2 to 3 mm thickness. With the use of a pizza cutter or blade, we're sizing the photo print and the gum paste. Here we're going to be using Mybakersmat, but you can also use margarine or water to stick the edible photo print onto the gum paste. Peel, place and stick. After we've secured the photo print onto the gum paste, we will cut out the images . Using a blade or a pizza cutter or whatever is convenient for you. You can see us releasing the second image with the pizza cutter. And now we're proceeding on to the third image of an elderly couple, since we're making this video for Valentine's Day. Now you can see that we're ready to place the cutters on top of the rolled out paste and apply pressure with our hand. We gently slide the cutter backwards and forwards on our work surface to produce a clean cut. We remove the excess paste from around the cutter and turn it over. The pieces are being released here carefully. We're cutting out our third image. And releasing them. Now you can see after drying that we are enjoying assembling them piece by piece as we create the images that we had printed out. Now you can secure your puzzle shape to your cake, cupcake or cookie with water or edible glue. Our cutters can also be used with polymer clays, air dry clay and cold porcelain. Thank you all for watching. Hope you like this video.